Welcome to this 10-minute guided mindfulness meditation, a moment just for you to slow down, reconnect, and find your inner peace. Whether you're starting your day, taking a midday break, or winding down, I know that you're exactly where you need to be. Let's begin. Find a comfortable position. You can sit or lie down, whatever feels best for you. Close your eyes gently and bring your attention to your breath. Inhale slowly through your nose and exhale softly through your mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale. Exhale. With each breath, allow your body to relax a little more. Release the tension in your shoulders. Unclench your jaw. Soften your hands. Let your belly be loose and relaxed. Now, simply observe your breath. Don't try to change it, just notice. The coolness as you breathe in, the warmth as you breathe out. If thoughts come, that's okay. Acknowledge them gently and let them pass like clouds in the sky. Return your focus to your breath. In, out. Let's sit in this quiet space together. You are safe here. You are supported. As you continue breathing, gently repeat these affirmations in your mind or out loud. I am calm. I am safe. I am grounded in this moment. I release what I cannot control. I am at peace with this moment. My breath is my anchor. I trust in the timing of my life. I let go of what no longer serves me. Peace flows through me with every breath. I am centered, calm, and clear. I am exactly where I need to be. I choose serenity over stress. I am grounded, stable, and strong. I breathe in calm. I exhale tension. Stillness is my natural state. I release all worries and return to this moment. My mind is quiet. My heart is open. I allow myself to rest deeply. In this moment, I have everything I need. I am safe. I am supported. I am loved. I am aligned with peace, purpose, and presence. I carry this stillness into the rest of my day. Peace begins within me. Feel the truth of each word as it sinks in. Let your heart soften. Let your mind settle. Let yourself be. Now, allow yourself a minute or two of silence. No words, no effort, just be. Breathe and rest in the stillness. Begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently. Take a deep, full breath in. And exhale fully. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Take this peace with you today. You can return to this space anytime you need. Thank you for spending time with yourself and with me. Until next time, be well and be kind to yourself.